Hi, in this lecture we're going to see the resistors. Okay, so as you see here, there is many types of resistor. Okay, so here this is a normal resistor. As you see, this is the symbol of normal resistor. Okay, this is another symbol of a normal resistor. Okay, so we can present or represent the resistor using this symbol over here or this symbol. Okay, so this is a normal resistor. So let's choose here the pen. Okay, so this is a resistor. Okay, and this is a resistor. So this is a normal resistor. So for this, as you see, we have a normal resistor, as you see, exactly like this one, and a row, as you see. We have here a row, okay? So this arrow, as you see here, means a variable. So this is variable resistor, okay? So VR, we can represent it using VR. So this is variable resistor, and this is normal resistor, okay? So this resistor is used in order to control the current flow, okay? Because when the resistor, when you increase the resistor, the current will be decreased. And where the resistor is decreased, the current will be increased. That's why we use this kind of resistor, I mean variable resistor, in order to control the amount of current that is flow. Okay? Here we have the potentiometer variable resistor. Using this filter, as you see, or this arrow means this is a potentiometer variable resistor. Okay, so it's exactly or slightly like this resistor. Okay, and here this is a preset resistor. So this symbol, as you see, means, so we have here a normal resistor using and besides of this symbol. So the symbol with this normal resistor means a preset resistor. Okay, this resistor is used to control the charge flow with the help of screwdriver. Always you find a screw here that you can use. Okay, you can use to control the charge flow. Okay, so this is a resistor. Okay, so we have here normal resistor, and also here this is a normal resistor. Okay, so we'll find the symbol in motherboard schematics for the computer. Always in the computer motherboard we find this kind of symbol, and in other motherboard, like for other devices like television or other devices, okay, the big devices, we find this kind of symbol. And of course here we have the variable resistor with this arrow, and here we have the potentiometer variable resistor and preset resistor. Okay, so let's now pass to the next slide. So here we have a meter devices, the devices that we use to measure some values. Okay, for example, for this symbol V, as you see, this is the voltmeter or the multimeter. Okay, we use this device to measure the voltage, but the multimeter is used to measure many units: voltage, currents, ohms, etc. Okay, but this symbol is just for the voltmeter, as you see. So to measure the voltage, V. Okay. This symbol is ohm meter. As you see, we have a ohm meter. We use it to measure A or the current. Okay, so we use this to measure the current. Okay, the current. Okay, so for the ohm meter, as you see, this is the symbol of ohm. Okay, ohm symbol. We use this to measure the resistor. Okay, always ohm means resistor. So we use this device to measure the resistor. And as you see, we have here this symbol means oscillation. So this is oscilloscope. We use this to measure or to test anything that is according to frequency. Okay, so this is oscilloscope. We can measure using this the frequency in any position or in any motherboard. So this is the symbol of oscilloscope device. Okay, and here we have the galvanometer. As you see, this is the symbol of galvanometer. The same, we use it to measure the current exactly like this, but the galvanometer is used to measure a very low current or amps. Okay, we use it to measure a very low current. Okay, and over here, this is not a meter device, this is a motor. This symbol is for motor. Okay, so this is M means motor. Okay, so this is the voltmeter. We use it to measure the voltage, ohm meter to measure the current, and we have here ohm meter to measure the ohms or the resistor. We have here the oscilloscope for the frequency and the galvanometer for the very low currents like milliamps. Okay, and here we have the symbol of the motor.